Good job.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Go get the other one now.
This one?
No, not that one. This one. And then we'll be good.
I have to do that one first.
So that'll take that panel right off. Other way, Brogen. With Antara.
The top rescue.
What was that?
Don't do the top rescue. The top rescue. Grandpa,
Yes.
you don't do the top rescue?
No, they're by themselves doing their own thing. We're waiting for them to come back.
And they'll see the top rescue.
We're gonna go see what?
They don't see the new door.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
But that's later. We got some other things to do first.
Here?
No, well, in New Jersey.
Yay.
Oh, good job, Brogan. No, we could leave them on. We don't have to take them off. Other side. Brogan, other side. Over here. Look. Over there. Behind you. Take that out of there. Take it out of there. Over there. Get up, Brogan. Don't worry about it. Let Grandpa do. Oh, you got it. All right, over there. Go over there. Do that one.
This one?
No, neck over there. Yes, there. Do that.
And do two these. This one, this one, this one.
That one, yes. Do that one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's this one now.
Okay. Other way. That a boy.
This way.
Yes. Good job, Brogan. Thank you, buddy.
And do this.
Yeah, do that one.
And do this
No, not that one.
one.
Other way.
I do this way.
Yes, you can. There you go. You just said you couldn't, and now you're doing it. So what's up with that?
This way.
Yeah. Good job.
And yeah, and please. And then I have to reveal you to you. Wait, open your hand.
All right.
And this one too.
No, down below. Bottom.
This one.
Yes, please.
We have to do two of these ones.
Yes, exactly. Good job, Brogan.
You know, what did I do? It's not.
Take your time.
So she's trying for me. She's watching me.
Yes, she is.
I
She wishes she could do it.
Oh.
Don't, hey, relax. Take your time. Brogan, you gotta take your time.
It's not doing.
It is. Yeah, you just said it wasn't, and now look at you.
Let's do that one first.
Yeah.
I don't. This one, that one, that one.
No, we're not doing them two. We don't have to.
Open your hand. Open it.
All right, I'm ready. Don't worry. I'm ready.
Down first. So, right. That was this one. So that one. This one.
Yeah.
This way.
Yes, sir.
Open your hand. And this one too.
Yes, that one too.
This way.
Yes, sir. You got it. You're loosening it. You're taking it off.
This way.
Yes, sir.
Stop saying that.
Well, you keep asking me, so you keep repeating what you're saying, so I keep repeating what I'm saying.
And you stop it.
Well, you stop it first.
You stop it first.
I can't stop if you don't stop.
For you stop, I'll smack your butt.
Don't smack my butt. You know it's loaded.
What's pooped?
Yeah,
What's your diaper?
I don't wear diapers anymore.
Jesus underwear. I told to see I didn't wear diapers and pull-ups the way I told to see.
Other way, Brogen. Other way.
This way.
Yes, sir.
Stop saying that. This way.
Other way, Brogen.
I can't do it this way.
Well, then use the wrench. Oh, Brogan, you did it.
Yes.
All right, stand up. Stand up. Look at me. Good job, Brogan.
Cheese.
Did you take the bed apart?
Oh, yep.
Yep. You're good at that, right?
Yep.
Yep. You a big help for Grandpa?
Yeah. I got some more over there.
Yep, we'll get them too. All right, say goodbye, Brogan.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Who's the best?
You.
Me? What about you? Aren't you the best? All right.
After to those guys.
All right, good job, Brogan.
After to those guys.
All right, bye.
Bye.